These are my acorns. Let's sing the alphabet song together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? Yay! Let's start. Let's see what's inside on the letter A. An apple. A red apple. We are going to open the orange acorn and see what's inside on the letter B. I hear something. Let's see. A sailboat. An orange boat. We are going to see what's inside on the letter C. A car. A green car. Let's see what's inside on the letter D. A blue dinosaur. Roar! This is a blue top. Let's see what's hidden in the letter E. Elephant. A red elephant. This is color red. Now let's open the letter F. Look, it's purple. It's so pretty. A frog. A purple frog. Let's open the letter G. And it's orange. An orange grasshopper. It's so cute. This is the letter H. Do you like it? I'm curious what's inside. I think it's going to be cool. Let's see. A green hippopotamus. It's a giant animal. And that was the color green. Now we are going to open the letter I. Let's see what's inside. I for ice cream. It tastes like strawberry. I love ice creams. It's the color red top. Look at all my colors. It looks like a rainbow. This is the letter J. J for jar. We can put jelly, pickles, we can put some candies, even treats for my dogs. This is the color blue top. Here's the letter K. And it's purple. This is a koala. They're beautiful animals. Purple. Wow, an orange elf. Let's look inside. Leaf. An orange leaf. Oopsie. And that was the color orange. This is M. This is Mitten. This is so cute. That was the color green. I love acorns. Do you? A blue N. N is for NoyNoy. N-O-Y, N-O-Y. It's a nest. This is a blue nest. And that was the color blue. Now let's open the letter O. This is a red top. A red octopus. An octopus lives in the water. And that was the letter O. Now we have the letter P, and P is for purple. A purple pig. You like pigs? I like pigs. Pigs go oink oink. We are going to open the letter Q. Q is for queen. And it's an orange cream. And that was the color orange. Let's go to the letter R. Here is the letter R. It's a green R. A green robot. Look at me, I'm like a robot. And that was the color green. A blue S. A blue star. We find them at night. Way up in the skies. Now let's open the letter T. It's a purple T. A purple train. Choo-choo! Perfect! This is the red U. I love the color red. Do you know, hearts are usually red. I love hearts and sometimes they're pink. A red umbrella. It's raining. Help me. That was the letter U. Let's open the letter V. It's an orange V. It's an orange van. Now we parked it. So we can move on to the next letter. That was the letter V. This is the letter W. A giant whale! He lives in the water. Let's go check out X. A blue X. A blue xylophone. Let me play. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. And that was the letter X. A purple Y. Let's see what's inside in the Y. A purple yo-yo. I love to play for yo-yo. And that was the letter Y. And last one is the letter Z. Can you guys guess what's in the acorn? This is the letter Z. A zebra. Usually zebras are black and white, and they have stripes. Let's sing our song one more time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Learning with NoyNoy.
For more fun, educational videos, please subscribe.
You guys are the best.